Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dory and hello, so you can see my eyes. I've lost over 80 pounds and kept it off. I'm on the move this morning. I follow Bright Line Eating. I'm gonna be eating my not blueberry, what am I talking about? My Bright Line Eating style donuts, no sugar, no flour, as far as white, processed, refined, and all that junk. None of that poison. So check it out. I'm gonna show you how to make it really fast, okay guys? Here we go, 6 donuts on the road. Let's get started with our banana. As always, 3 ounces, smash it up, then move on to your protein additions. We have 1 egg and 1 ounce of nut butter. If nut butter doesn't work for you, you can substitute 3 ounces of smashed garbanzo beans instead. We're gonna move on here to our extracts. I'm using 3 different ones: maple, vanilla, and butter extract. This gives it a warm feeling. We now are gonna mix this up. After we mix it up, we'll add some baking powder just to sprinkle. And next is the grain. I'm using 1 ounce of oats that I ground quickly in my coffee grinder. Please use a grain that works for you, including rice may work well. I'm now taking my 3 ounces of frozen chopped cherries and mixing that in. Refrigerate for 30 minutes, then bake at 350 for 45 minutes. If you make it, tag me. I do these recipes out of service, and the greatest reward for me is to see you and your friends following my account and enjoying.